Hello friends, the question is like this. As you can see, it is an objective question, and in this question we have to tell that the value of this definite integral is equal to how much, which of the option is the value of the given definite integral. So let us see how we are going to solve this question. First of all, I've been given the definite integral and I assume that it is equal to I. Okay, now because there are four functions given in this definite integral, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to write these four functions as four definite integrals, that is as four separate definite integrals. So I'm going to get I is equal to x cubed dx from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, x cos x dx from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, 10 raised to the power of 5 of x dx from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and 1 dx from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, so those who are familiar with the property of odd and even function, and those who can tell that which function is an odd or an even function, will find this question very easy, and it can be solved within minutes, within seconds I should say. But it is my duty to explain each and every question in detail, so I'm going to solve this question in detail. Okay, now to solve this question we require this property: fx dx from minus a to a is equal to twice fx dx from 0 to a when fx is an even function, and this definite integral would be equal to 0 when fx is an odd function. Okay, now to solve further, what I'm going to do for this first definite integral, x cubed dx from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, I take f1x is equal to x cubed. Okay, now if I calculate the value of f1 of minus x, so this will be equal to minus x whole cube, and on solving I'm going to get this as minus x cube. Okay, so on assuming f1x as equal to x cube, I get f1 of minus x is equal to minus x cube, and this x cube can be replaced with f1x, so I'm going to get this as f1 of minus x is equal to minus f1 of x. So this proves that x cube is an odd function. Okay, now because x cube is an odd function, therefore x cube dx from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 would be equal to 0. Okay, similarly I'm going to take the second function and check whether it is an even or an odd function. Now f2x, I assume that is equal to x cos x for the second definite integral. Now f2x, so f2 of minus x is equal to minus x cos of minus x. Now I know that cos of minus x is equal to cos x, so this will be equal to minus x cos x. Okay, and this x cos x can be replaced with f2x, so I get this as minus of f2x. So again I get f2 of minus x is equal to minus f2x, so this shows that x cos x is an odd function, and hence I can write x cos x dx from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, similarly f3x is equal to 10 power 5 of x. If we assume that f3 of x is equal to 10 power 5 of x, then f3 of minus x is equal to 10 raised to the power of 5 of minus x is equal to minus 10 raised to the power of 5x. As you know that as you know that 10 of minus x is equal to minus 10x, and because it is raised to the power of 5, I'm going to get this as minus 10 raised to the power of 5x, and 10 raised to the power of 5x is equal to f3x, so I'm going to get this as minus f3x. So this again shows that 10 raised to the power of 5x is an odd function, and hence 10 raised to the power of 5 of x dx from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now taking the fourth function, that is 1, I assume that it is equal to f4 of x. It is a constant function, and constant function is an even function, therefore f4x is equal to 1 is an even function. Hence we can write 1 dx from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is equal to twice 1 dx from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so this I is now equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0, because all these three definite integrals were equal to 0, and this can be written as twice 1 dx from 0 to pi by 2. We know that the integration of 1 is x, so I'm going to get the value of I as equal to twice x from the limit 0 to pi by 2. Okay, on simplifying the limits, I'm going to get this as pi by 2 minus 0 or pi by 2, and on simplification this is equal to pi. Moving to the question again, I get the correct option as equal to C. So this is my required answer. This is how I'm going to solve this question. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest update, subscribe and like the videos on these YouTube channels HSK Shiksha and Maths Help by HSK. Thank you.